Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily fix your error with your network. So what you need to do if you have you can't connect to your Wi-Fi and you only see your LAN connection, so it's cable connection and you can't see here Wi-Fi adapter and just choose some Wi-Fi network. So how we can fix it? First you need just to click on this LAN connection, right click on button and just choose open network and internet settings. So after you will see your network status. You can see here change your network settings, so just click on change adapter options and here you will see Wi-Fi network, so it will be two computer with rating here like a diagram. So you just two clicks on it, or just right click and choose enable. So after you click on it, it will successfully enable your Wi-Fi wireless network and just connect to your you will see here icon of Wi-Fi, and also here you will see your network. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.